I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can become an imposter in Among Us. Now remember, Among Us randomly chooses an imposter, so there is not a surefire way where you guys will be imposter every single time. But there is a method through which you guys can increase your chances of becoming an imposter. How you guys can do that is this. Click on play, click on online, and click on public. Now you can also create a game or you can also join a public game, doesn't matter. The setting is same, alright? Once you're over here, you want to choose 3 imposter. Once you choose 3 imposter, click on this reload button. Then it's going to show you all the game which has 3 imposters in it. Now from over here, you want to choose the game which has the least amount of players. So all these game over here has tons of players. So you want to join a game which has least amount. So this game has least amount of player. I can click and join on this game. And if I join this game, the chances of me becoming an imposter is really high because there's only 6 people. If I join, there's going to be 7 people. And out of 7, 3 people are going to be chosen as an imposter, which means my chance of becoming imposter in this game is really high. Now, my chance of becoming imposter in this game is really low is because there is total 13 players. If I join, it's going to be 14. And only 3 imposter is going to be chosen out of 14, which means my chance of becoming an imposter in this game is really low rather than this. So basically, I need to choose a game with least amount of players and make sure that 3 is chosen over here where it says imposter, play the game, and my chance of becoming an imposter increases. But remember, this is not 100% way. It just increases your odds of becoming the imposter. So I hope you understand how we guys can become imposter in Among Us. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.